People don't see South America as powerful Dota 2 players. We are a team that want to show the rest of the world that we are good players. The name of our organization is Elite Gaming House, where we live with each other for years. We know each other very well. I know when my team is gonna enter, when he's gonna dive, when he's gonna do something. Like, I almost can read their minds. So living with them is completely different to just train with them. The synchronization, the team play that I have with them is something that you accomplish in many years. We definitely want to win this tournament.
Elite Wolves! Ivo! Mystico! Smash! One! Masouku! Их оппоненты в этом поединке.